Good morning students. I am Deepa Seth and we are discussing today packing efficiency. In the previous class we have discussed about clothes packing in 2 dimension and then 3 dimension. Today we will talk about packing efficiency. Actually it determines the total space occupied by particles, constituent particles in a given space. Now, as we assume that constituent particles are identical sphere, so we have to fill them in a unit cells. Different type of unit cells: primitive, body centered, cubic, closed centered. Now, first I will talk about cubic close packing. In cubic close packing, we have 8 particles at the 8 corners of the cube. In addition to 8, 6 particles on each face. Now, I will show you a face, front face. Here, you can see we can assume triangle A, B, C. फ्रंट व्यू है आपका. Now, A and B are edge lengths. A and B are edge lengths, and we assume that edge lengths of a cube is A. तो ये आपका हो गया A, ये भी आपका हो गया A. And ये आपके constituent particles present है which are lying on the face diagonal. This is the full constituent particle, so R and then third particle present on the corner of the cube. In a triangle ABC, angle आपका हो गया A, B and C. According to Pythagoras theorem, BC square equal to AB square plus AC square, and these two are edges length. So instead of AB and AC, I could write A square and A square. So our hypotenuse BC square is equal to A square plus A square. Also, as we can see in a diagram, this BC is equal to R plus R plus R plus R, that is 4R. So instead of BC, I could have written 4R square. This is equal to 2A square, or 4R equal to square root of 2 into A. Then if I say A is equal to 4R upon root 2. As we know, 4 means root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2, or this will finally be equal to 2 root 2 R. Then for face cubic unit cell, contribution, a number of atoms present as we have derived earlier is 4. So formula is packing efficiency is percentage equal to Z into volume of the sphere, as we have considered a particle, and the volume of sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and we are filling these spheres in cube. So volume of cube is A cube. I will write the values. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Instead of A, I could write A is equal to 2 root 2. So I have written 2 root 2 r, and on solving this I get answer 74%. It means your cubic
close packing, the number of particles occupying the space is 74% and the vacant space which is taken by voids is 26%. So, on the similar line, we can derive the packing efficiency of body-centered close packing and primitive unit cell. So, secondly, we will derive for body-centered cubic close packing. Here, if I consider a diagram, a cube with a body diagram, as you can imagine in a room. If a particle is present inside the body, then body diagonal will be like, if there are two faces, the body diagonal will go from D to F. And there are four diagonals, you can assume any one of it. I have considered D and F. You can consider other three diagonals also, derivation will be same. Similarly here, we can assume any face diagonal, but for more clarity, I have taken a front view. Here I have taken F and D as my body diagonal and these are edge lengths A. Now consider two triangles. First triangle ABT and then triangle BDF. If you look here, in triangle ABD, BD square is hypotenuse and according to Pythagoras theorem, BD square will be equal to AD square plus AB square and they both are edge length. Therefore, BD square equal to 2A square. The purpose of finding BD square is that we require an angle BDF BD. Now, in triangle BDF, hypotenuse DF square is equal to BD square plus BF square, which is again a edge length A. And BD square, as we have derived, it is 2A square. Therefore, DF square equal to 3A square, and instead of DF, as this is the constituent particle at the corner, this is also the constituent particle at the corner, and this one is the center of the body with a radius R assumption. Again DF, R plus R plus R plus R equal to 4R. So I could have written DF square equal to 4R square. Therefore, 4R equal to root 3A or A equal to 4 upon root 3R. You have to remember the formula. Packing efficiency's percentage formula is equal to Z into volume of the sphere upon volume of the cube. And here it is. Since Z for body centered close packing, number of atoms is 2. While in cubic close packing, as we have derived, number of atoms per unit cell is 4. So I have written 4 here and here I will write 2. 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now instead of A, I will replace it with r. I will write 4 upon root 3 r cube. And solving this, we get 68%. This means it is less economical than cube close packing. Then last one is our basic primitive cell, where only particles present at the 8 corners. Now, in this figure, we have already discussed. In such cases, we have to remember that our spheres are present such a way that they are touching each other, and by looking at the diagram I can say edge length A, any of the edge length is equal to R plus R, that is 2R. So A is equal to 2R. Again the formula, packing efficiency percentage Z into 4 by 3 pi R cube, volume of the sphere, and A cube, volume of the cube. Now putting the value, Z for primitive cell is 1, as we know 8 particles, 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. So 1 into 4 by 3 pi R cube upon 2R cube. Instead of A, I have written 2R. And I got 52% least economical. Now you can derive all the three packing percentage efficiency. Next, we can also find out density of these units. Now, density का formula we all know, it's mass upon volume. Density equal to mass upon volume. It's not necessary we know the mass. So, we usually know molar mass and Avogadro's number. So, mass is equal to molar mass upon Avogadro number. I have written instead of mass, molar mass upon Avogadro number, and number of unit cell can be written, number of atoms per unit cell is determined by Z. For FCC, I will write 4. For BCC, I will write 2. And for simple unit cell, that is primitive, I will write 1. This thing, by the time we have completed this topic, I have so many times revised this term. By now, it must be fit into your mind that for primitive cell, contribution of atom is 1. For cubic closed packing, 4. And for body centered unit cell, it is 2. Now, if you know Z, molar mass, Avogadro number, and volume. Volume is A cube because we are talking about cube. तो हम लिख सकते हैं A cube. Usually, volume में edge length is given in picometer, and you should convert it into meter in numericals SI unit. And if mass is given in gram, then you convert it into kg. Conversions you all know, and I have given you numerical also for practice. So this must be very clear to you. Thank you. Till then, good day. Take care of your health.